Banks are gearing up for a war, and you are the one they're fighting over. Mortgage wars are coming this spring, and it could completely change how you buy or sell a home in 2025. Hi, I'm LJ Aguinaga from LJ Realties in Montreal. With years of experience helping buyers and sellers navigate the real estate market, I've seen firsthand how economic shifts and banking trends affect your decisions. Today, we're talking about the upcoming mortgage wars, what it means, why it's happening, and how you can use it to your advantage. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious about the market, this video is packed with tips to help you stay ahead. Let's dive right in. The economy is always shifting, and as we approach spring 2025, several factors are setting the stage for what experts are calling a mortgage war. But what exactly is a mortgage war? Starting from the basics, a mortgage war is a period where banks aggressively compete for new customers by offering lower rates, cashback incentives, or waived fees. It's a direct response to shifts in the economy that create opportunities for buyers and challenges for lenders. So what exactly is the economy saying? First, let's talk about interest rates. Over the past few months, we've seen rates stabilizing and even hinting at slight decreases. This gives buyers more purchasing power, but it also creates fierce competition among banks. Why? Because lower interest rates mean it's a great time for buyers to lock in deals, and banks are competing to secure as many new clients as possible. Then there's inflation. While inflation has been a big story in recent years, it's finally beginning to slow down. This gives buyers more confidence, which translates into increased market activity. When confidence rises, banks are more motivated to offer attractive packages to get ahead of this competition. We're also seeing signals from the Bank of Canada, which may keep rates steady or even lower them slightly in the coming months. This would push more buyers into the market, giving banks even more reason to sweeten their offers to stand out amongst the competition. So, what does this all mean? Simply put, spring 2025 is shaping up to be a battleground for lenders. Expect cashback deals, rate discounts, and other incentives as banks vie for your mortgage. If you're planning to buy or refinance, this could be your window of opportunity to secure favorable terms. So now, what does this mean to you? What does it mean for buyers and sellers? Well, for buyers, a mortgage war can be a game changer. It means you're likely to see lower interest rates or better loan terms, making property ownership more affordable than it's been in recent years. But here's the catch. With increased affordability, more buyers will be entering the market, raising competition for the properties you want. This makes timing and preparation critical. Make sure you're pre-approved for a mortgage and ready to act fast when the right property comes along. For those with an existing loan, this is also a chance to evaluate your current mortgage. You could refinance to secure better terms or reduce your monthly payments, but it's important to understand any penalties for breaking your current mortgage. Speak with your current lender or broker to weigh your options. For those of you with rates above 5.5%, it might be worth your while to lock in a lower rate and take the hit on the penalty today. For sellers, the benefits are equally exciting. With more buyers actively looking, you're likely to experience quicker sales and potentially higher offers for your property. However, to fully capitalize on this, it's essential to time your listing strategically, aligning it with the peak of buyer activity during the mortgage war. Work with a knowledgeable broker or agent who understands market trends to maximize your opportunity. Speak to a mortgage broker to compare offers and calculate whether switching banks or refinancing would save you money overall. Preparation is key. Don't wait until the competition heats up. If you need help, remember we have a strong team of professionals that we can recommend. Send me an email and I will be happy to share that list with you. If you need professional advice, book a call. The link is down in the description below. Now, we know what a mortgage war is and how it will impact anyone looking to get into real estate or continue with their loans. But before we dive further, there's another crucial concept that could shape your next financial decision: the mortgage stress test. Understanding what it is, its purpose, and impact will be essential for you to be prepared. So let's start understanding the basics. What is it? Well, a mortgage stress test is a financial assessment required by Canadian banks to evaluate whether borrowers can manage their mortgage payments if interest rates increase in the future. It ensures that borrowers won't face financial hardship due to higher rates, acting as a safeguard for both the lender and the buyer. For buyers, the stress test determines the maximum loan amount you qualify for. Even if interest rates drop during the mortgage war, the stress test evaluates your finances against higher hypothetical rates. This means your affordability is assessed conservatively, which could limit your buying power, but ultimately protects you from overextending financially. The primary goal of the mortgage stress test is to promote financial stability by ensuring borrowers can handle potential rate hikes. It also helps maintain a healthier housing market by discouraging over-leveraging. If you're planning to buy, consider going through a stress test now to understand your financial limits and prepare for spring. Knowing where you stand financially will help you make confident decisions as the market continues to heat up. It's important to note that as of 2025, for those of you renewing an existing mortgage, the stress test will not apply to you even if you change banks, so long as you maintain the same loan amount and the amortization schedule that you were previously on. Let's recap and cover the basic points of what you should do. Buyers, please start by preparing your finances and getting pre-approved before we are at the tip of the war. If you wait too long, you might start to see bidding wars, which is always very stressful. So let's get you closer to your goals, book a call with me, and get your documents prepared. Sellers, my suggestion to you is to get a knowledgeable real estate agent. It is our job to time your listing to get the best price for you. The more you get for your property, the more you will be able to invest in the next one. So get ready and start your strategy with the right person by your side. Whether you're buying or selling, this future mortgage war is an opportunity you can capitalize on if you plan carefully. I hope you found this video informative and that you get excited with me with what's coming next. Me and my team are more than ready to serve you, so feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.